Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to export multiple charts into one PDF file in Excel. Sometimes you may need to export multiple charts and save them from a workbook. This method will show you the way to save multiple charts into one PDF file in Excel. Right click a blank area of a chart and select the Move Chart from the right clicking menu. In the opening Move Chart dialog box, check the New Sheet option and rename the chart sheet. Click the OK button, and as you can see, the new sheet chart has been created. So repeat the steps 1 and 2 to move other charts into the new chart sheets. Select the second chart, right click on the blank area and select Move Chart. Check the new sheet, rename the chart, click the OK button, go to the last sheet, right click on the blank area of the chart, select the Move Chart from the right clicking menu, check the New Sheet option and rename the chart. Click the OK button, and then select this newly created chart sheet simultaneously in the Sheet tab bar. And to select multiple adjacent chart sheets in the Sheet tab bar, please hold the Shift key and click the first sheet and the last chart sheet. And to select multiple non-adjacent chart sheets in the Sheet tab bar, please hold the Control key and click each chart sheet one by one. Then click the File tab, click on the Save As option, click on the Browse, and then in the opening Save As dialog box, please specify the destination to save your PDF file, and then select PDF format from the Save As type drop-down list and click the Save button. As you can see so far, these charts have been exported and saved into one PDF file, and each chart stays on a separate page in the Excel workbook. As you can see, they have been moved from the original sheets to the new sheet chart. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.